Hello from Rimini, Italy. I have a short time here. The sun is actually just about setting, but I have about 2.5 hours before my train leaves from Rimini station to go back to Milan. I was just in San Marino, so I figured during these 2.5 hours, even though sun is setting and most of these clips will be at night, why don't I explore this coastal Italian city that apparently is 100,000 people, but I refuse to believe it based off what I see. But let's explore. I'm gonna try to record as much as possible during this short daylight hour because yeah, we all know that when the sun sets, the video quality doesn't become as nice. Well, Rimini is on the Adriatic Sea. That is the eastern coast of Italy. It doesn't really get tourists. Nobody's like, ooh, I'm gonna go to Rimini. The only tourists that are here are people that are really transiting through here like me because they are going to San Marino. There's a lot of Roman history here, as there is across all of Italy, but it was founded in the year 268 BCE. There is the Arch of Titus, the Tiberius Bridge. Who knows if I'm even going to be able to see those two structures. The closest cities to here are Bologna and Florence. They're both about an hour and a half by train. By train, Rome is about 3 hours. And you also have Milan, which is where I'm doing my day trip from. And that's about 4 hours. Oh my God. And I am in the central square right now. This is the Commune dei Rimini. And this is the city hall. It is obviously very Roman and looks very old. But it's not just the square that I like, because I go down that street and I go down that street and I go down that street, and it's just active and vibrant. People at restaurants, everybody out and about right now. It's a Sunday night and it's just such a fun and charming atmosphere. It's a lot more crowded than I would have expected, but I'm loving it. I don't think these are tourists. These are just the regular locals. Okay, maybe I was wrong. Maybe the population definitely is 100,000 plus. I could so see it with how energetic it is right now. Also, everything is a lot bigger than I expected it to be. In all honesty, I thought it was just going to be a small town, but no, things are extinct. Blocks upon blocks upon blocks. No, it's not overly huge, but it's definitely enough where I can be constantly walking around for 2 hours to see everything and not walk down the same street twice. My aunt, who is fluent in Italian, speaks Italian, she is Italian, she always tells me, shout out to Aunt Joanne, try to get to the hidden gems of Italy, get out of Rome, Milan, which those are two big cities in Italy that I have been to. Actually, technically I haven't even been to Milan yet. I just transited through. Make sure you get out of there because it's just tourist centric and you don't get to see real Italy. Here's where you get to see real Italy, in the towns and small cities like this. Oh my God, literally as I was talking, I wasn't even like looking up, I was just talking on my phone, and then look at this square with all the little vendors and the shops lined up with they're selling their merchandise, jewelry, all that. Oh my God, this is real Italy. This is real Italy. I'm finally getting an authentic feel, getting out of my tourist trap. Well, the only place I've been here before it was Rome, and I was actually pretty sick in Rome, so I didn't even really get to see Rome. I kind of forced myself to get to the Colosseum, the Vatican, and all that. But wow. Oh my God. Okay, here's a Christmas tree. It's winter time, if you already couldn't tell that I have my hat and my neck warmer and gloves on. But even more vendors. Apparently tonight's some sort of like chocolate festival or something. I don't know. There's like 9-10 selling chocolate. It's just maybe that's why it's so active tonight. Okay, there's two things I want to say. First, I'm telling you, you should subscribe to see my videos all throughout Europe, because I am living here now as an American, mainly Eastern Europe actually, traveling throughout. But second off, it's starting to get dark. As you start to get dark, my camera does not have the ability to pick things up and the footage won't be that great. So I think I'm just gonna go wander around, explore this atmosphere, and overall enjoy. Actually, whoa, cut. That was a ridiculous ending. Peace out, y'all. How Southern American is that? All right, ciao.